Dear friends of Beston, I'm Pellet and today is 14th January of 2021. Today we are at our pellet machine factory. Pellet machine is to produce pellets from biomass. It is often used to produce biofuel from biomass waste such as corn stalk, corn cob, straw, forest waste, sawdust, and all kinds of materials that you can name. The purpose of this machine is to compress the fluffy material into a more uniform manner, with better density, better calorific value, and easier for transportation. The utilization of such pellets are often used as biofuel, as substitute for coal, oil, gas, is often broadly used for household heating and industrial burning. It can also be used as feeders for livestock. When we start the process, first we will load the material onto this belt conveyor. The belt conveyor will convey the materials into this silo. At the same time, the control cabinet will take monitoring of every detail of the process. The material drops into the silo. At the bottom of the silo, the screw feeder will push the material and drop it into the pellet machine. Inside the pellet machine, the spinning wheel will press the material against the inner side of the mold. Under the high temperature and high pressure, the material will be forced out from the holes on the mold, and this rotating plate will cut it off in a designed length. At last, the material will drop from the exit port and the process will complete. The cyclone deduster will help to eliminate all the dust and ashes from the process, so to make sure this system is environmental friendly and emission free. This machine is simple but effective. Without having to put a big fund for investment, you can already start a business in waste to energy. If you are interested in this, do not hesitate to contact us. I'm Fred Wang. I work for Beston Machinery.